Let me congratulate and appreciate the Professional Services Branch within the National Department of Public Works and Infrastructure, SAFMA, the University of Walter Sisulu for hosting this Facilities Management Conference in the province. Let us therefore rise to this moment with clarity of purpose, firmness of resolve, and excellence in execution. The responsibility, colleagues, is ours, and the time to act is now.
Today, you must take this opportunity to engage on robust discussions and use this platform to shape the future era of our facilities in the country. This conference must serve as a platform for networking, knowledge sharing on the trends shaping built environment, and technological innovations that are transforming facilities management and changing how we operate in the 21st century. Let us look at artificial intelligence as a solution to ensure that we reduce cost, and it is believed that artificial intelligence will assist in reducing our operational cost by 30%. The focus should be in predictive maintenance, energy management, and space utilization. I will really appreciate if by the end of your conference, there is a plan or a framework that position us into utilization of AI as an embedded program or a tool that will assist us departments in addressing some of our challenges.
The purpose of this conference was to look at how we can enhance facilities management in the government sector, but obviously there was a lot of emphasis on private-public partnerships. There was various topics, panel discussions that concentrated not only on facilities management, but also on elements of facilities management, such as facilities maintenance, technology, interventions. The objective of this workshop was to bring government closer to the private sector. One of the outcomes of this conference today is that we will have future engagements with the private partners, also from other government departments, to bring more investment into facilities management with a key focus of to regain lost office accommodation and to look at repurposing, capitalizing, and also investing on our infrastructure going forward. So from facilities management, this is the second workshop actually this year. In March, we also have had a workshop with or conference with South African Facilities Management Association in Centurion. So going forward, we're also going to take this type of workshops or conferences to other regions as well. And we're also planning to have a facilities management workshop between the Department of Public Works nationally, but also to bring the provincial offices closer to see how we can integrate our asset registers and also to work closer with our counterparts from the provincial offices as well. We're very optimistic the outcome of this conference will take not only facilities management forward, but also concentrate on the executive priorities to bring back some of these properties back to government.